Just one prompt can change your entire animation. Listen, if your AI videos still look like a glitchy fever dream, you're officially falling behind. Most creators are wasting hours on single-shot prompts, while the pros just unlocked a literal cheat code. It's called Seedance 2.0, and it makes everything else look like a toy. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you how to direct a full cinematic sequence with just one prompt. No cap, the gap between Hollywood and your bedroom just officially closed. I'll be using an LLM for prompt generation throughout this process. I'll point out specifically where it's needed, so I don't have to repeat myself. All prompts are original. Step 1. Character architecture. Before we hit generate, our movie needs a soul. If your character's face changes every 2 seconds, your movie is trash. Let's look at a live example. I'm using the AI influencer tool to create a character sheet that defines exactly how my character looks. The pro tip: you need a front view, a profile view, and a close-up. Step 1.1. Generate your character in Nano Banana Pro first to get that high-res look. Save those images because we're going to tag them later. This is how you keep Marcus looking like Marcus from start to finish. I have already mine. Step 2. Mastering timeline. Prompting. This is where the magic happens. Most people write a paragraph and pray. We don't do that. We use timeline prompting. Here is the step-by-step breakdown. 1. Open the Seedance 2.0 model in Higsfield. 2. Upload your character sheets. 3. Look at the prompt structure on my screen. I'm breaking a 15-second clip into 3-second blocks. -0 to 3 seconds. Extreme, close-up of the eyes. Camera. Macro. 3 to 6. Wide shot of the character walking into the neon rain. Camera. Low-angle tracking. 6 to 9. Fast pan to a mysterious door. Just describe what you want in every frame. That's it. One click, and the AI follows the timeline like a real camera crew. It's insane. I have already mine. Step 3. Video-to-video sorcery. What if your shot is good, but the vibe is off? Or you shot something on your phone and want it to look like Blade Runner? Live example. I'm uploading this basic clip of me walking in my backyard. Step 3.1. Switch over to reference video mode. I'll type cinematic cyberpunk alleyway, heavy rain, glowing neon signs, 8K resolution. The result? Watch the screen. The AI keeps my movement, but swaps the entire world. You can literally change the weather, the time of day, or the entire planet while keeping your performance. No expensive sets, just pure AI sorcery. I have already mine. Step 4. Motion transfer for animation. Especially fight scenes or complex dances, detailed descriptions are key. Reference videos can sometimes cause glitches or incorrect movements. Here's the process. 1. Use your preferred large language model, LM. 2. Describe the desired actions for your character. 3. Use that generated prompt in the tool. And that's it. With these tools, you can finally focus on your creative vision. The timeline prompting formula and a link to Higsfield are in the description. Check them out.